Hey, fellow explorers! Today, we're in the fairy tale-like city of Innsbruck, Austria, where history, nature, and art converge to create an unforgettable experience. From the charming old town to the majestic Nordkette mountains and the sparkling Swarovski Museum to the regal Ambras Castle, Innsbruck has something for everyone. Let's dive into this enchanting journey together. We start our adventure in the heart of Innsbruck, the charming old town. The golden roof stands tall, a symbol of the city's past glory. The vibrant colors and ornate facades of historic buildings transport us back in time. We explore the Maria Theresian Street, a bustling promenade adorned with shops and cafes. As we descend from the mountains, we find ourselves by the tranquil Inns River. The peaceful ambiance and the sight of locals strolling along the riverbanks create a serene atmosphere. We take a leisurely walk, capturing picturesque views of the river and the city's bridges. Next, we soar high above the city on the Nordkette cable car, heading towards the Nordkette Mountains. The panoramic views of Innsbruck and the surrounding Alps are simply breathtaking. At the Zeegrubu station, we immerse ourselves in nature, exploring the hiking trails and savoring the crisp mountain air. Just a short drive from the city, we arrive at the captivating Swarovski Crystal Worlds. This artistic wonderland delights us with imaginative installations and dazzling crystals. The crystal dome leaves us spellbound as we wander through its mesmerizing kaleidoscope of colors. You can find a detailed video of this museum on this channel. Our last destination is the majestic Ambras Castle, a historical gem surrounded by lush gardens. We have the opportunity to explore the opulent chambers, admire the extensive art collections, and learn about the life of Archduke Ferdinand II. The castle's Habsburg Portrait Gallery provides a glimpse into the royal past. Additionally, there's a separate, detailed video available on this channel, specifically covering Ambras Castle. Our journey through Innsbruck has been nothing short of magical. From the rich history of the old town to the awe-inspiring beauty of the Nordkette Mountains and the artistry of the Swarovski Museum to the elegance of Ambras Castle, Innsbruck has enchanted us at every turn. If you're looking for a destination that combines history, nature, and artistic brilliance, Innsbruck is a must-visit. Thanks for joining us on this extraordinary vlog, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more amazing travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and living life to the fullest.